Hello, from Cotco Specialty Hardware. This is the Kason K56 Series Safety Lock, one of the finest safety locks available on the industry today. A safety lock is designed to avoid accidental entrapment should the lock body become restricted in some manner. The Kason K56 Series Safety Lock is available in polished chrome, brushed chrome, tough coat, powder coat. Strike assemblies are available from flush to as much as 4 inches offset, and the K56 exit bars available include glow, high temperature, and frost-free. This is Kason K56 Safety Lock for use with coolers, storage units, enclosures, tool cribs, any number of applications, and is just one of the many fine Kason products available from Cotco Specialty Hardware.